Superstar CNC Product Introduction. Based on standardized management, Superstar have gradually developed 7 series of CNC products after 11 years of experience in the field. On the 11 patents, we have gained the title of Quality Reputation Demonstration Unit and the Import and Export Right given by Medium and Light Products Quality Control Security Center and Ministry of Foreign Trade and Economic Cooperation, CE of Germany TUV Group, ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System Certification. Products cover 4 major industrial and 4 mainly products: metal industry, advertising plasma cutting machine, industrial plasma cutting machine, metal and non-metal laser cutting machine, YAG metal laser cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, especially the metal and non-metal laser cutting machine, which can cut metal materials and non-metal materials. Metal mold machine can process shoe mold, metal mold, eyeglass, etc. Woodworking industry, round type ADC machining center, linear ADC machining center. This machine is the first domestic equipment which can change tool quickly under the beam. It is competitive to products that change tools at the end, front, or side of the machine. It fundamentally solves the foresaid product's problem of parts damage because of not accurate, caused by double motor's position deviation. Modi has changing woodworking machine, engraving and side drilling machine, standard woodworking machine. Modi has changing woodworking machine has high performance with competitive price, strong automation, obvious competitive advantage. It is being the new favorite of carpentry, furniture, wood door industry, stone industry. Stone carving machine, jade carving machine, stone carving machine with unique structure of manual forklift, supplemented by roller set and sectional circulating waters purification equipment. Humanized design makes products of Superstar process distinctive features in the whole stone carving equipment field. Advertising industry, screw driving type engraving machine, rack driving type engraving machine, laser machine, laser engraving cutting machine, laser cutting machine, YAG fiber marking machine, mold engraving machine, heavy styrofoam machining center, light styrofoam engraving machine, foam cutting machine, spindle rotary model machine. Modi has multi-actual engraving machine. High precision Modi has ball screw machine. Modi has machine. Single head cylinder machine. flattened cylinder engraving machine. Four-head cylinder machine. Patented 180-degree spindle rotary cylinder machine. 8-head cylinder machine. Milling and engraving machine. 5-axis CNC router. 5-axis engraving machine. 5-axis model machining center. 5-axis denture engraving machine. Dream makes miracle. Mission leads direction. Nowadays, superstars people have company missions to do continuous innovation, which makes work easier, life better. Our enterprise will be better and stronger with our staff's hard work and constant innovation.